Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some Igbo words that starts with letter C. So let's just say these are the phrases in Igbo language that starts with letter C. Yes, on this video, on this platform, I have so many videos that are phrases in Igbo language. Yes, phrases in Igbo language cannot be overemphasized because these phrases are what will help you to make your sentences. And mind you, get your pen and paper so that you can write down these things and meanings so you can go over it over and over again. Or you can save it in your watch later so you can visit it easily without having to type my name igboticnono. Maybe it's too difficult to type, so you can just go to your watch later on your YouTube platform and begin to reminisce on this Igbo phrases. Or you can also go to my video on other videos I've done on phrases and save these videos one after the other, so when you're ready to learn the day you want, so that the day you want to fully learn this, it will be easier for you to go over them and over again. And before I start this video, I will tell you to imitate my mouth the way you imitate TikTok videos. You know that way you imitate, which one is winning now? On unavailable. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. I'm unavailable. They know they see me. You see, I even learned it as well. So if you know the way you used to imitate the song and learn the practices, imitate this words like that. Thank you, and let's begin. And number one here is cut. Cut, to cut something. In Igbo we say chabie. Chabie, to cut something. In Igbo we say chabie. Chara. Chara, when something is ripe, this mango is ripe or this orange is ripe, whatever thing is ripe, we say chara or characha, it is ripe, or characha, it is ripe. Che, che, che is to think. When you're thinking, one che uche, che, think. Okay, che and che. Che and che. You know when you go to this rich man's compound, those guards, I used to cut them. Hana che and che. Che and che. Or when you go to the bank, all these offices that have security guards on their uniform, hana che and che. Cheerful, when someone say cheerful, cheerful, yeah. Cheerful is to forget. Forget. Cheerful. Cheerful. Cheerful is to what? Forget. Chekeleke. Chekeleke. Chekeleke, English. You know that's chekeleke yambo chaki weloji. Chekeleke yambo chaki weloji. That's one white in your hand. That says chekeleke. I give it to you. Chekeleke. Okay, it's a bird. Yes. Cherry. Cherry. Cherry is wait. When you tell somebody cherry, means the person should wait. Cherry is wait. Okay. Cherry, wait. Chezo, forget. So now we can say cheerful, we can say chezo. It all means the same thing. Chezo, forget. Chia oche. Chia oche is laugh. Chia oche is laugh. Chico is together. Chico, yeah. Gather them. Gather it. Chilie is to raise. Chilie is to raise. Most people say chilia wow. Chilie is to raise. Okay? Chilie is to raise. Chinchin. Chinchin. Bedbug. You know that bedbug that used to enter inside the phone or whatever I want. So I don't know. I'm biting you. Bedbug. Chinchin. Chineke. Chineke is God. Oluwa, the mighty man in battle. Chineke. Chineke is Oluwa. Chohe. Chohe doesn't want. Chohe doesn't want. I cho him, I don't want. Do you understand? Cho, look for. When I tell you to look for that bit, I'll say cho that bit. Cho, look for. Cho mma, look for that knife. Okay? Cho is look for. Cho mma is to decorate. Choma is to decorate. Okay? Chota is to find. Chotaya, to find it. Chotaya is to find. Chotaya is to find. Chota is to find. Okay? Chuo also chase. Chuo also chase. When somebody is coming around to disturb me with dog or something, and I say, Chuo town also chase that dog away. Chuo town also chase that dog away. It's funny, right? Yes. But these are the words in Igbo language. These are the phrases in Igbo language that will help you to make some sentences. These are the important phrases. We have so many other letters that starts with C in Igbo language, but these are what we use very, very often, which you need as a beginner in learning Igbo language. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. This video a thumbs up, and of course, cheers. Bye.